Today we are going to continue the poem The Rainbow. In the previous class we have studied the 4 lines of the poem. Today we are going to complete the poem. The Rainbow by Christina Rossetti. Boats sail on the rivers and ships sail on the seas, but clouds that sail across the sky are prettier than these. There are bridges on the rivers as pretty as you please, but the bow that bridges heaven and overtops the trees and builds a road from earth to sky is prettier for than this. So, today in the next stanza, we will discuss what is written. Here the poetess is trying to say that the bridges that you see on the rivers are beautiful. It seems good. But the bow, that is the rainbow, that you see in the sky, that bridges heaven, means that links the path from earth to heaven, are far more beautiful. We can see the rainbow over the top of the trees in the sky. It is more beautiful than the bridges that we see on the rivers. You all have seen bridges on the rivers and all have seen the rainbow. But what the poetess is trying to say that the bridges that you see is not as good as the rainbow, which is more beautiful than the man-made bridges. What it does, the rainbow just link up, or it is a connection with the earth and the heaven. So I think it is now clear. What you have to do, you have to memorize the full poem with poet's name. So you just see the board, the poem I have written, you will memorize it. You have to write the name of the poem, then the name of the poet, then the full poem with its punctuation marks. So you just go through the poem and memorize it. Now let us discuss the question answers. The word meanings. Number 1, bow. Something that is curved like an arc, means that is not in a straight line. The rainbow that you see in the sky, it is like a curved line, it is like an arc. Heaven, the sky where God lives. Overtops, rises over the top of, means that goes to the top. Sail, when boats travel on water, it sails. Means when boats are traveling on the water, we call it boat sails, not travel. Next, answer the following. Where do boats sail? Boats sail on the rivers. Where do ships sail? Ships sail on the seas. What sail across the sky? Clouds sail across the sky. What are the 2 prettiest things in the poem? The 2 prettiest things in the poem are clouds and rainbow. So these word meanings you have to learn, and these are the 4 question answers you will run. This will be your homework, and the rest portion next day we will complete it.